Your question is, the design is made from 4 green circles and 1 orange. So that means this is your circle. Here they have given radius of each green circle is 1 unit. Find the radius of orange circle. So don't go for the colors. Here what they have given, see that. And second one is also the same. This 4 combination is inscribed in a big circle. That means what? They have told. They have told that this from here to here, this radius is 1 unit. And from here we have to find out the radius of a big circle. How we can find out? So it's a very simple thing. What we have to do, just we have to connect center to center and make a square. So you can see this. Suppose this is your center to center, and from here to here, and from here to here, and here to here. So now you can see this is the radius is 1 unit. So if the radius is 1 unit, radius plus radius is diameter. That means it will be 2 unit. The square side is 2 unit. So we can go for that square. 2 unit. Now if you draw a diagonal from here to here, what is the length of this diagonal? So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that 2 unit square plus 2 unit square gives you the diagonal square. So that means it will be 2 square plus 2 square. That is equal to the diagonal square. So what is the diagonal? So we can say diagonal is nothing but root under 4 plus 4. That is equal to root 8. And root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. 2 root 2. The length of the diagonal is 2 root 2. Now, if you, this again is the radius 1 unit. And here also it contains 1 unit. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And the diagonal of a square is this. So we will get the diameter. So we can say diameter. So diameter is what? 2 plus 2 root 2. And what is the radius? So we can say the radius is equal to 2 plus 2 root 2 by 2. So now it will be what? 1 plus root 2. You can go for splitting 2 by 2 plus 2 root 2 by 2 and just reduce them. You will get 1 plus root 2. So therefore this circle, big circle, contains the radius 1 plus root 2. Likewise we have to do this also. So now what is that? We know same center, center to center. This is the center, this is the center. Again this is the center, this is the center. So we know that. This, just add them. So we know what? This one. So this is what? The radius of this circle. That means this black one is the radius of this. And again here same radius. So that means the radius, the square is of which unit? One side square. So we can say square. So that is what? the radius plus radius, that means into 2. So therefore it will be 2 plus 2 root 2. 2 plus 2 root 2 is the radius of this, and this together is the side of that. Again, if you draw a diameter, what it will be? So what we have to do? Again Pythagoras theorem. That means it will be what? Diameter is equal to, we can say, is root under this square plus this square. Square of this plus square of this. So what we will get the square of this? We will get 4 plus 8 plus 8 root 2 plus, again same, 4 plus 8 plus 8 root 2. That is equal to, we can say, is root under 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 here, 12 here. So what we will get? 12 plus 8 root 2. 12 plus 8 root 2. This one. And or you can write it in different way. How we can write? So that means if this is 2 plus 2 root 2 and the radius is what? This 1 plus root 2. So here the side is 2 plus 2 root 2, again root 2, like this. So we will get what? 2 plus 2 root 2, again it will go to root 2, and this will be a like this. Then what we have to do? From here, this you have to join, this we have to add, and this we have to add, and this is nothing but what? The radius of this. The radius of this is what? 1 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2 into 2. That means 2 plus 2 root 2. So here if you multiply it, what we will get? 2 root 2 plus 4. Then plus again 2 plus 2 root 2. 2 plus 2 root 2. So this is nothing but your diameter. So therefore it will be what? 2 plus 2 is 4. So we will get 4 root 2 plus 4 plus 2 is 3, 6. So this is your diameter. If you go for the radius, what it will be? Radius. So radius is nothing but what? 6 plus 4 root 2 by 2. Now split it. You will get 6 by 2 plus 4 root 2 by 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. So this is the radius of a big circle. So like this we have to find it out. This is the simplest way we can do. Why means here how we are finding by Pythagoras theorem? We are finding out this radius, then this 1 unit plus 1 unit. So simple is that what? If the side is equal, then how we are writing? Simple. This is 2. So that means 2 root 2. Likewise, we have to go for this also. So we know the radius of this. That is nothing but what? 1 plus root 2. Plus 1 plus root 2 is 2 plus 2 root 2. So the sides are the same. So it will go to 2 plus 2 root 2 whole to root 2. So that means it will go for like this. 2 plus 2 root 2 whole root 2. Just multiply it, you will get like this. That is equal to 6 plus 4 root 2. That is nothing but what? Dia. So we will get our diameter. From there we will get our radius. So 3 plus 2 root 2 is this circle's radius, and this is 1 plus root 2 is this circle radius. Small circle, that means this one.